Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install OBS Studio software. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our browser and there type OBS Studio and then just click on the first link, and then here, depending on what kind of operating system you are using, just choose one of these. Since I'm using Windows, I'm selecting Windows, and right here now the software is getting downloaded. If you press Ctrl J, you can see the download progress, and here I'm going to refresh. So as you can see, the software has just been downloaded and then shown in the folder, and just double click on it, and we are going to wait for some time for the software to be installed, and click on yes and next. And here we can follow all the prompts in this installation wizard. So it was a default location. Now as you can see right now, the OBS Studio is getting installed. So now we are gonna finish installation. We are gonna wait for some time. We are gonna wait for the OBS Studio to launch. As you can see, the OBS Studio has just been installed, and we can see this icon on the screen. And now here, depending on what you will be doing with the software, you can choose one of these options. Since I am using it for the recording purposes, I'm going for the second option. And of course, if you are kind of into streaming your games, you can go for the first option or maybe third option. And here we are gonna choose the second option, and so this is the default resolution, and here we are gonna choose 60 frames per second. This is which is maximum. And here we are gonna say apply settings, and then I'm gonna maximize this window. So as you can see right now, my voice is getting recorded, but there is no any video which is getting recorded. In order to record the video, we need to add source. So first of all, here just right click on the plus icon, and here you can see we have the option called display capture, and I'm gonna go for display capture. This is the default name, and if you want, you can change this name depending on your preference. And I'm gonna click OK, and here this is the default resolution. Click OK. And here, as you can see, this is the window size which is getting recorded right now. And here I'm gonna click on start recording. So as you can see, the recording has just been started. We can see the time running here, and here I can stop recording, and as you can see, the recording has been saved in this location. So this is the default location, and if you want, you can change the default location by going to the settings and here output. So here, as you can see, this is the default location, and if you want, you can change the location as well based on your preference. Maybe probably if you're running out of the space in your C drive, you can go for the D drive and click OK. And here I'm gonna see the video which has just been recorded. So here, go to videos, and here, as you can see, this is the video which has just been recorded. So as you can see, and so basically that's it for today, and that's how you install OBS Studio on your local machine. Thank you for watching.